Hello students, how are you all? Myself Sangeeta Jain, representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today we will start chapter 9, Time, Temperature and Money of class 5 Math. Students, first you open your book, page number 122. Students, you know 1 day is equals to 24 hours and we use to see the time clock, and there are two types of clock, 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Generally we use 24-hour clock in our day-to-day life. Students, in 12-hour clock it takes 2 rounds to complete 24 hours and first round from 12 midnight to 12 noon, we represent this time by AM. AM means anti-meridium. Meridium means midday, means before midday we use AM. Before midday means before noon we use AM. You generally see when you take breakfast, आप कभी भी ये नहीं कहते कि हम 8 PM पर ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे. You always take breakfast in the morning and you use 8 AM, 9 AM, understood? And second round completes from 12 noon to 12 midnight and we represent this time by PM, and PM means post meridium, means after noon or after midday, understood? आपने देखा होगा जब आप खेलने के लिए जाते हो तो ऑलवेज यू गो इन द इवनिंग एंड इवनिंग टाइम रिप्रेजेंट्स बाय PM, अंडरस्टूड? फॉर एग्जांपल 9 PM, 6 PM, 5 PM, अंडरस्टूड? नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, वी यूज दिस टाइप ऑफ क्लॉक. वॉल क्लॉक देखा है आपने घर पर? तो इसी तरह का फॉर्मेट होता है कुछ क्लॉक में, और first it completes one round, after that completes second round, understood? And second type of clock is 24-hour clock, and 24-hour clock generally used for reading timetable of bus, railways, understood, or in militaries also. Sometimes AM and PM AM and PM creates confusion. So we use 24-hour clock, understood? And in 24-hour clock we use this format: hours, minutes and seconds. Hours, minutes and seconds, because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Because we have 2 digits, so we use here 2 digits, understood, in minutes, hours and seconds. Now students, how we represent time in this? Suppose we want to write time 1:30 AM. Then how we write in 24-hour clock? This is 01, 30 minutes, so you write 30 and 00. This is 1:30 AM, and we use hours to represent the time, means 1:30 hours, understood? Suppose we want to write 2:45 PM. How we write this? 12:45 PM. So how we write in 24-hour clock? 12 plus 2:45 PM. So this is 14:45. Now how we write in 12-hour clock, 24-hour clock? 14:45 00 hours, understood? And we also represent by 14:45. When we use colon sign, we no need to write hours, but when we represent this type of time, we use here hours, understood? Exercise 9.1, page number 124, exercise 9.1, question number 1. add, this is C part, hours, minutes and seconds. This is 7 hour, 18 minute and 25 seconds. 5 hours, 42 minutes and 36 seconds. Now how we add the time? First we add the seconds. This is 11, 1 carried over, this is 6. Now this is 10, 1 carried over, this is 6 and this is 12. Now it is more than 60. So we convert into minutes. How we convert into minutes? We subtract 60 from seconds and 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. So we take this 60 minutes into minutes and we write here 1 minute also, and now we add 60 plus 1, it is equals to 61. Again it is more than 60. So we subtract 60 because 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So this 60 minutes convert into hours. So we take 1 hour here and we subtract 60 minutes from this 61, it becomes 1 and it becomes 13. 2 plus 1, 3 and this is 1. So what is the final answer? Final answer is 13 hours, 1 minute and 1 second. Understood? Now we take second question. Subtraction. Question number 2 is subtract. D part is hours, minutes, seconds. 14 hours, 22 minutes, 32 seconds. 6 hours, 36 minutes and 44 seconds. Now how we subtract this? Look here, 32 is less than 44, so we borrow from minutes. 1 minute we borrow from minutes and it is equals to 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So this 1 minute converts into seconds. So 60 minutes plus 32 is already we have here, it is equals to 92 seconds. So we write here 92. Now we subtract 92 and 44. Again we borrow from 9, it becomes 8, it becomes 12. Now 12 minus 4, 8 and 4 minus 4 is 4. Now we have 21 minutes here and we have 36 minutes here, but it is not possible to subtract. Again we borrow from hours and it is 14. So we borrow from here, it becomes 13 and it becomes 1 hour converts into minutes. So it becomes plus 60 is equals to 81. So it is 81. Understood? आपने यहाँ पर क्या किया है कि जो ये 1 आवर था वो मिनट में कन्वर्ट हो गया 60 मिनट्स में, बिकॉज मिनट्स है यहाँ पर एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी 20 मिनट्स हियर, तो 21 plus 61 is equals to 81. So it becomes 81. Now subtract 81 and 36. Again we borrow, it becomes 7, it becomes 11. 11 minus 6, 5 and 7 minus 3 is 4. Understood? Now students, finally we subtract 13 and 6. 13 minus 6 is 7. Now what is the final answer? 7 hours 45 minutes and 48 seconds is the final answer. Now question number 3. Question number 3, multiply. We take C part of this question, hours, minutes, seconds. This is 6 hours, 18 minutes and 5 seconds, and we multiply this by 5. Now how we multiply time? Look, 5 5s are 25, 5, 2 carried over, 5 zeros are 0 plus 2, 2, 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 carried over, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9 and 5 6 are 30. Now students, we use same process to convert more than 59 minutes or seconds, how we convert into hours and how we get the final result. We have 25 minutes, it is less than 60, so no need to convert seconds into minutes. Now we have 90 minutes here, it is more than 60 or 59. 60 converts into 1 minute or 60 seconds convert into 1 minute. So we have 90, so subtract 60 minutes and 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So this 1 hour comes in the hours and we subtract this, it is 30, now it becomes 30 and we have here 1 hour. ये जो 60 मिनट था ये आपका कहाँ पर आ जाएगा, यहाँ पर कन्वर्ट होकर के आवर्स में, एंड वी ऐड दिस आवर इन 30, इट इज 31 आवर्स. नाउ व्हाट इज द फाइनल आंसर? 31 hours, 30 minutes and 25 seconds. Understood how we multiply the time? Now we take some questions from exercise 9.2. Question number 1 on page number 127. Exercise 9.2, question number 1. Question number 1 is Aditya plays for 1 hour 30 minutes in the morning and 45 minutes in the evening. For how many hours does Aditya play in a day? इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है आपको कि आदित्य मॉर्निंग में 1 hour 30 मिनट्स खेलता है और इवनिंग में 45 मिनट्स खेलता है, तो वो पूरे दिन में कितने टाइम या कितने घंटे खेलता है, आपको टोटल टाइम फाइंड करना है. तो टोटल टाइम फाइंड करना है तो आप क्या करोगे, प्लस करोगे. नाउ हाउ वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? फर्स्ट यू राइट स्टेटमेंट, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. आदित्य plays in the morning is equals to 1 hour 30 minutes. Aditya plays in the evening. Is equals to 45 minutes. total time he plays in one day. Is equals to, we add both the times, 1 hour 30 minutes plus 45 minutes. Same method we use here, hours, minutes. First we write 1 hour 30 minutes and 45 minutes. Hours are 0. Now add both the numbers. This is 75 and this is 1. Now it is more than 59. So we subtract 60. मैंने 59 क्यों बोला है? तो जैसे 60 होता है ना, it converts into hours. So it is more than 60 भी आप बोल सकते हो, it is more than 60. तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसमें से 60 को माइनस करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? तो माइनस 60 क्या? It is 15 and this 60 minutes convert into 1 hour. So because 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. So we take in the hours this 1 hour and add these hours. So what is the final time? 2 hours 15 minutes. Therefore, he plays 2 hours 15 minutes in one day. Understood? Now we take question number 2. Question number 2 is, Rashi attends school from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. For how many hours does Rashi attend the school? What is the meaning of this question? कि राशि ने स्कूल अटेंड किया 8 am से 12 pm और उसने कितने टाइम के लिए स्कूल अटेंड किया. तो आपको यहाँ बताना क्या है, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम, कि वो कितने टाइम तक स्कूल में रही है या उसने कितने टाइम तक स्कूल में स्पेंड किया है. सो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट टाइम. अब कौन सा टाइम सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है इसमें आपको, कि जिस टाइम पर उसने स्कूल को लीव किया है, छोड़ा है, उस टाइम में से आप जिस टाइम पर वो वहाँ पर आती है उस टाइम को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, या फिर आप नंबर ऑफ आवर्स फाइंड करेंगे. ठीक है, बोथ मेथड्स आर करेक्ट टू फाइंड द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो राशि attends school from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Now 8 a.m. to 12 noon. How many hours are there? 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. 4 hours completed. So we write here 4 hours. And 12 noon to 12:30 p.m. is equals to 30 minutes. So total time is 4 hours and 30 minutes. Total hours spent is equals to 4 hours 30 minutes, and 30 minutes means half an hour. So we also write like that, 4.5 hours. Understood, students? Now we will start question number 4. Question number 4 is a daily wage workers works for 5.5 hours a day. For how many hours does he work in a week? क्या करना है आपको इस क्वेश्चन में कि एक जो डेली वेज वर्कर है वो एक दिन में 5.5 आवर्स वर्क करता है, तो वो 1 वीक में कितना वर्क करेगा या कितने आवर्स वर्क करेगा। क्या करेंगे हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन कि हमें 1 डे का पता है कि वो 1 डे में कितने आवर्स वर्क करता है और आपको 1 वीक का फाइंड करना है एंड 1 वीक इज इक्वल्स टू 7 डेज। तो ज़्यादा का फाइंड करना है तो डेफिनेट सी बात है कि आप क्या करेंगे, इसमें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। नाउ लुक एट द बोर्ड, वर्क डन इन अ डे, वर्क डन इन अ डे is equals to 5 1/2 hours is equals to 5 hours 30 minutes. Half an hour is equals to 30 minutes. So we also write like that. Now 1 week is equals to 7 days. So we multiply 5 hours 30 minutes by 7. Therefore, work done in 7 days is equals to 7 days and 1 week both are equal. So 5 hours 30 minutes is multiplied by 7. Now multiply hours and minutes. 5 hours and 30 minutes by 7. Now 7 zeros are 0, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fives are 35. Now this is more than 60. So how we convert into hours? Hours में convert करेंगे हम इसको and 60 plus 60 plus 60 minutes is equals to 180 minutes. आप 60 और ऐड करेंगे तो 6 4s are 24. 24 is greater than 210. So we subtract 180 minutes from 210 and it is equals to 3 hours. This is 1 hour, this is 1 hour, 1 hour and this is also 1 hour. It is equals to 3 hours. So this is 0. 1 minus 8 is not possible to subtract. We borrow from 2. It becomes 1 and it becomes 11. 11 minus 8, 3 and 1 minus 1, 0. And 180 minutes is equals to 3 hours. So we add into hours and it is equals to 38 hours. So what is the final answer? Therefore, work this is 38 hours and 30 minutes. Therefore, work done in a week is 38 hours 30 minutes. Understood, students? Hope you understood this part very well. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye students. Have a nice day.